friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will make a plum cake. It is easy to make this cake without eggs or alcohol. The combination of fruit and nuts makes this cake look awesome. Every bite gives a pleasant feeling in our mouth. Let's begin the recipe. We will take a quarter cup of raisins, a quarter cup of black currants, a quarter cup cranberries, a quarter of mixed berries and a quarter cup of Tutty Frutti in a bowl. Add 200 ml packed orange juice, 1 lemon juice, 1 tbsp water and cover the bowl and let it soak for 1 day. We will take a quarter cup vegetable oil and a quarter cup brown sugar powder in a separate bowl. Mix it well. Add a quarter cup of yogurt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix well with the help of electric beater. Place a sieve upon the bowl and take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a quarter cup of milk powder, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, a quarter teaspoon cinnamon powder, a quarter teaspoon clove powder, pinch of nutmeg powder, pinch of salt and sift together. Keep stirring till every ingredient gets mixed well. Open the lid of the soaked mixed berries bowl and separate orange juice in a bowl and keep aside. Add the soaked berries in the bowl containing the flour mixture. Gently mix. Add some portion of separated orange juice and mix. Add a half cup of almond kernels and a half cup of cashew kernels. Pour the entire portion of kept aside orange juice. Stir and mix by using cut and fold method. Add 1 tbsp apple cider vinegar. To prepare caramel, take a half cup of sugar in a pan and keep on low heat. Let the sugar melt by heating. When color turns brown, add 1 tbsp water in it. Let it get lukewarm and add in the cake batter. Mix thoroughly and pour the batter upon butter paper placed in the greased mold. Put dry fruits rubbed in flour on top of batter. Also put red cherries on top. Put the cake tray upon a steel stand placed in large pot upon preheated salt. Let it bake for 50 to 60 minutes on medium heat. Take out and let it cool. Plum cake looks awesome. Try this recipe at home and enjoy with your lovely family. If you enjoyed the video, please share it with your friends and relatives. And subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.